YouTube world. This your boy UZ2G, the host of UZTV, and I'm here to tell you about my new show on my TV channel called The Mixtape Blackout. It's gonna be off the chain. What I'm doing is getting all the artists around here to get some notoriety. So what you do is you contact me, I set up an appointment with you, you come through, you bring your freshest track that you want to promote off of your new mixtape. I put you on my YouTube channel, people around the world get to see your skills. Now there's a catch, they don't see you, they see a silhouette of you. That's why it's called The Blackout. Now, they will see you down the line when we promote your CD more and also promote the Mixtape Blackout YouTube tour, which means I'm gonna sponsor it and somebody else gonna sponsor it, and we're gonna take all the hottest rappers around wherever we can go to get them shows so they can be seen. Now I must say, your lyrics gotta be clean. I'm sorry, I'm doing this for a good reason. Nobody wants to hear all the cursing, so limit your cursing or you will not be heard. Remember, I'm the man to contact, 608-228-3669. You see it flashing across the bottom of the TV. Oh yeah, before I roll out, the blackout. When you do the blackout, bring your ice, cause it will be shown during your video shoot. Holla at your boy, the host with the most, coming your way soon. Also, spit that word like you never